Hey guys, just jumping on here again. Came out here this morning into the greenhouse and look at the temp. It's almost 90, and what is it outside? 68, I think. So it's crazy, but anyways, I know it's nice out today. So today I'm going to, I just opened up the windows, and today I'm going to work on some of the water bottles. I'm going to paint them black and put them around here. That's supposed to help with the heat, keep the heat in as the temperatures drop. And we're going to put a compost pile behind the greenhouse, and I have tubing to come in to get some passive heat coming in through the greenhouse to see if that can help warm it up through the winter too. Okay? All right. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to do the compost pile here in the back, and I'm going to show you how we set up the tube to see if this will work. And if it doesn't, well, this is an experiment. If it doesn't, we have nice compost for the spring. Okay, so really we're basically just layering leaves, manure, old plants, and greenery be thrown out. Anything that coffee grinds, all your compost, and just keep layering up. And we're going to make sure the tube, this back tube, is going to be like in the middle of the pile. So I'll probably raise it up a little bit, and then I'll show you around on the inside what it looks like, and we'll see what happens. Okay? All right. Oh, guys, the one thing that I wanted to say is don't forget to water between each layer. Okay? So we'll just keep layering up, watering in between each, and that's what we're doing. Okay guys, this is the finished compost pile. I wanted to add is make sure it's at least 3 feet high and 3 feet wide, and as it starts breaking down you can keep adding to it. The one last thing I have to do is I'm going to put a big plastic tarp over it and seal it up pretty good, so the only way for the heat to escape will be through those pipes. Let me bring you around to the front so you can see what I'm talking about, or tubes, whatever you want to call them. Okay. Oh, this is one thing I wanted to say about this replacement cover with these windows. They have little ties that you can tie up every morning. I mean, they work and everything, but I just wound up getting these clips, and it's so much faster and easier, and they're good for a lot of things. Okay, so it's like a 10-pack for $5 at like Walmart or something. Okay. All right, let's see. I'll show you what the tubes look like. Okay. Paint coming in. We have it all insulated in the back, tucked in nice and tight. So we'll see. So hopefully this works. And like I said, if it doesn't, we have good compost in the spring, ready for garden season. Okay. Let me show you another thing that we're gonna do to see is I got these water jugs. I gotta paint them black, and we'll place them all around in the greenhouse in different spots, and supposedly they absorb the heat during the day, and we can they'll warm up the greenhouse and keep it a little warm. So I'm gonna just try a little bit of everything. Okay, and there's the plastic that I'm gonna put around the compost pile. Just finished the last project of the day. Painted the water bottles all black, and we're gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna place them all around the greenhouse. Just another little thing, experiment they're just trying that supposedly helps bring the temperature up a little bit. So we're gonna try to do everything that we can, and thanks for tagging along for the experiment, and I'll see you next time.